How to adjust screensaver settings in Windows 11. Windows is preloaded with a number of screensavers that you can choose from. Setting a screensaver prevents burn-in and can save your screen. Search for and open Change Screensaver. The Screensaver Settings window is displayed. Select a screensaver from the drop-down menu. Click Settings to open the Settings window for the selected screensaver if settings are available. Click Preview to see how the screensaver displays on your computer screen. Move the mouse when you are finished previewing. Enter a number of minutes in the Wait field. This is the number of minutes of inactivity your computer waits before the screensaver appears. Note: make sure that the wait time for the screensaver is lower than the number of minutes before the computer enters a sleep state. To require login credentials when the session is resumed, select On Resume, Display Login Screen. Click Apply to save the settings, and then click OK to close the screensaver settings window. The screensaver is now set.